Hi there, it's Gail from MyRepurposedLife.com, and I'm going to show you in this short video how easy it is to move a garden shed if you have the proper technique. You will need several 2x4s and several pieces of pipe. We actually used 8 pieces of pipe and then just kept reusing them over and over again. You'll see that you need to check to make sure you're going in the right direction. The shed kept wanting to go toward the back fence, which would have run it into a sewer pipe. So that's why you see us keep walking around there to make sure that we're not going to knock into the sewer pipe. Once we see that it's going in the right direction, we check to make sure that there are pipes under the skids. You can see there I'm putting another pipe toward the back of the shed for it to roll onto after it rolls off the front pipe. You'll see it give a little bounce, and that is because it's gone off the front pipe and going onto the back pipe. With both of us pushing on the same side, it sort of guides the shed in the right direction and steers it away from the sewer pipe in question that we don't want to run into. And now here you'll see that it's going to bounce off the pipe that's in the front, but then it directly goes right onto the pipe that I just laid out.
Making forward progress.
I think you were holding it. Still trying to steer the shed away from that sewer pipe, we continue to move onward. Basically, what you need to do is just keep replacing the 2x4s from the front to the back, and then keep replacing the pipes from the front to the back as you move forward, actually backward in progress. I suppose Henry, our resident stray rooster, approves of the job we're doing because he gave us a cock-a-doodle-doo. He's been here since December, and he spent so much time crowing so loudly that now he has a friend. Yes, a hen has showed up and we have tagged her Etta. So we have Henry and Etta in the neighborhood. Oh, we revealed 3 pipes and 2 boards. Better assess the situation. We got a lot of pipe. Uh-oh. I'm trying to explain that. Put a twig to keep the pipe moving. You may have heard me mention a twig. If the pipe seems to roll forward or backward when you're not ready for it to, if you put just the smallest little twig on the runner in front or behind the pipe will stay stationary, but the barn/shed will still roll on the pipe. It's magical. Let me get a twig off this pipe. Or the back that way, either way. Yeah, it is a little off. So maybe, yeah, if you keep pushing that side, you push harder than I do. So you push that side where you should even up. You need another one? See, if I had moved those branches up, they would have broken. to shove a little harder than me.
Oh, it's just not working like that.
It's not. Well, it straightened out the first time. We got to get those